Hello, EOS Nation, and welcome to episode number 51 of the EOS Hot Sauce. I'm your host, Daniel Keys, back with another spicy one. In this week's episode, deWeb launches with EOS Nation, Evo Decks by EOS Argentina, Wax Tycoon and Wax.School, Boss IBC 4.0, Chain Clash launch, PixEOS Gallery soft launch, and much more. EOS Hot Sauce is available in every format. You can watch on YouTube, listen on SoundCloud, listen on Apple Podcasts or your favorite podcast player, and don't forget to subscribe to the EOS Nation newsletter at eosnation.io. Make sure you smash that like, hit that bell, and subscribe to your favorite platform. Up first, deWeb launches with EOS Nation. EOS Nation is excited to announce the launch of deWeb, a platform that allows users to easily generate tokens that can be issued, bought, and sold without intermediaries, thanks to the Bancor protocol. These user-generated tokens live on the EOS mainnet and start out as stable tokens with 100% reserve ratios. You can learn more about the Bancor Dynamic Reserve Ratio liquid tokens on Bancor's recent blog post about the subject. The framework behind deWeb is quite interesting and enables a decentralized ecosystem to take root. The platform is built on Bancor and enables anyone to become a developer, operator, or marketer. All three of these parties can earn royalties for activity that's generated by their service, creating real ecosystems of aligned stakeholders. We can't wait to see what kind of creative D-apps will be built on top of this framework, as the possibilities are endless. This amazing project is the brainchild of Bancor's A.L. Herzog. As you can see in his 8-year-old Bitcoin Talk forum post, A.L. has been working towards this vision for a very long time. EOS Nation is proud to be part of this wonderful project and help launch the platform as the first deWeb operator and marketer. For a deeper understanding of the vision for deWeb, we encourage you to read the recent 16-part tweet storm by A.L. Herzog that explains why deWeb was built the way that it was and highlights the potential examples of a deWeb dApp, such as Usenet newsgroups done right. Next up, Evo Decks by EOS Argentina. Evo Decks by EOS Argentina is the latest innovative product to provide a new angle on token liquidity pools on EOS. Their approach allows users to create liquidity pools for any EOS-based tokens, paired with any other EOS token. Evo Decks mints new tokens for each pair, called Evo tokens, that are backed by the liquidity of the respective pool. These Evo tokens can be easily traded and moved between users, which enables easier access and management of these investment positions. For those looking for a more technical look into Evo Decks, the team has shared an example on GitHub that combines the Peso token with the EOS token. Evo Decks comes just a few weeks after EOS Nation's X Nation platform enabled the easy creation of Bancor liquidity pools on EOS. Liquidity pools make it easy for users to convert one token for another, and now that we've made it so easy to create new pools, we're seeing more and more projects creating new pools to offer liquidity to their users. X Nation also makes it easy to add or remove liquidity pools on both the EOS and Ethereum networks, and it gives liquidity providers the opportunity to earn a share of the fees generated. Cross-chain conversion and the ability to create pools on Ethereum are coming soon. Next up, Wax Tycoon and Wax.School. The latest game to be released on Wax has been surging up the charts this week. That allows users to build up their enterprise and compete on the leaderboard to see whose business can be more profitable. At the time of publishing, Wax Tycoon was the 13th most popular blockchain game and 42nd most popular blockchain app overall, with about 375 daily users. Check it out on waxtycoon.io. Another popular blockchain-based collectible trading card game, Splinterlands, is also now available on Wax. All you need to access all of these Wax games is your simple Wax Cloud Wallet account, which abstracts away all the blockchain-y things and lets users sign up with an email account and start playing right away. Speaking of the Wax Cloud Wallet, the team is currently working on improving the design and have put up a forum seeking community feedback. If you're a user of the Wax Cloud Wallet, they want to hear about your experience. The guilds on Wax are as active as ever, and this week, EOS Dublin brings us Wax.School. This online education platform will consist of 3 tracks of courses to educate users. Track 1 is Community, Track 2 is Game Studios, and Track 3 is Wax Guilds. Next up, Boss IBC version 4 for EOSIO version 2.0.4. The Boss Core technical team recently released the full Boss IBC 4.0 update, hot on the heels of the Boss IBC Lite client. This initiative came a long way, and what started as an effort to connect 2 blockchains, EOS and Boss, now is a working solution focusing on multi-chain IBC. The update introduces a whole star-shaped IBC architecture with the hub chain running at its center and interconnecting a multitude of parallel running chains. Users can transfer tokens across these parallel chains without the need to have an account on the hub chain, as these transfers are relayed via a worker protocol. Bosscore blockchain architect Simon Wang gave a detailed explanation and answered many interesting questions in an AMA. You can find a fully translated transcript of the AMA on Bosscore's Medium channel. You'll also find a registration form for projects interested in enabling cross-chain functionality for the respective token in the article. Visit the Bosscore GitHub or join Boss IBC channel on Telegram to dig deeper. Next up, ChainClash launch. ChainClash is live and has entered into the public beta testing phase. After a period of selling rare NFT avatars, the arena is now open to let avatars and clans clash. Anyone interested can log in with an EOS account and claim a free avatar, give it a unique name, train it, and go to battle. You can pick a clan when choosing your avatar, which in this case represents different blockchain protocols. Each avatar comes as a unique NFT and features provably unique names, known as name tags. The public beta is already playable and features all the core mechanics of the game, but you'll have to wait for the full release to enjoy 3D renders of clashes and the peer-to-peer marketplace. The team published a Quick Start 101 tutorial, an in-depth user guide, and started a 500 EOS heavy promo campaign in cooperation with DappRadar on Twitter. Next up, PixEOS Gallery soft launch. Inspired by the legendary Pixel Master, which partially inspired Dan Larimer for the token economics of voice, PixEOS started out as an online canvas. The avatar maker became very popular in the community and eventually launched a game center, which may have caused the project to drift away from their original vision, creating an environment for creative spirits. With the soft launch of PixEOS Gallery, a revamped website, and a letter to their community, the team shows what they've been working on recently and where they see the project going. The focus seems to have shifted back to artists and collectors, as the gallery is featured prominently on the new website. They were quoted, "Each piece in the gallery can be bound to a unique non-fungible token. Therefore, artist authentication, collector ownership, scarcity, and sale history are verifiable through blockchain technology. The PixEOS Gallery has provenance built into its platform, making contemporary art origins verifiable and accessible for all to see." The YouTuber mBlue Crypto invited the PixEOS team for a detailed interview to discuss all the new developments. The gallery is currently not open for everyone to participate in and is curated by the team. If you want to become a featured artist, please reach out to their artist relationship team through artists@pixeos.io. Next up, Equilibrium AMA. Zach Gall visited Equilibrium's Alex Melikov in his home quarantine via Zoom for the newest episode of Everything EOS for a great chat about Equilibrium and an overview of the current state of DeFi. If you want to know more about Equilibrium or have further questions, join the next Equilibrium AMA live on YouTube and submit your questions to their forum. As always, the best question gets a reward of $100 worth of EOSDT. Next up, decentralized video conferences on EOS, KChat by EOS Rapid. The use of video conference tools increased drastically in recent weeks, and as usual, there are concerns about privacy and data security, so a decentralized solution for such services is in high demand. The KChat is one potential solution. It's currently in beta testing and brought to us by top 21 block producer EOS Rapid. As stated by EOS Rapid, KChat uses EOS to perform all the peering and establishes the connection between two users and their EOS account, and to store the public key that authenticates messages between the users and encrypt their peering information. All messages and conferences are end-to-end encrypted. EOS Rapid also published a short video tutorial on Twitter and invited the community to further test the product and give feedback. KChat's not the first video chat between EOS accounts. It was previously made possible on SenseChat, which recently rebranded to EOS Chat. Up next, Boyd Season 4. Being one of the earliest projects on the EOS mainnet, the Boyd app has made great progress over the years. Their approach to combine a complex topic like cloud computing with fun gamification elements is very unique and helped them to build a vivid community of contributors. Boyd Season 4 will kick off on April 28th and will mainly focus on delegating computing resources to fight COVID-19. In the meantime, Boyd miners can make donations for the further development of the platform, which will increase their level and Boyd power and result in higher mining rewards. Top contributors will receive a rare NFT Season Pass and exclusive physical merchandise. Check out the Season Break portal to learn more about this activity, which coins are supported, and what else is in the pipeline for Boyd. Next up, Token Pocket's We Wear Masks. Token Pocket came up with a great idea to promote the importance of protective masks to help stop the spread of COVID-19 virus. With the We Wear Masks campaign, they launched a fun avatar editor with a wide selection of masks to add to your avatar, so the visibility and popularity of protective masks increases. The Token Pocket Foundation will donate 100 TPT for each participant that shares this event with the hashtag WeWearMasks on their social network platform of choice, including Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and others. Furthermore, 10 lucky winners will be picked each day to receive a mask subsidy worth $5. The Token Pocket Foundation made an initial donation of $1,000, followed by other blockchain entities joining in the campaign. Learn more about how to participate and how the donations will be used in the announcement article. Great job to everyone involved. And finally, EOS Nation's Dave Rex joins Voice. EOS Nation is finally on Voice. Our American co-founder Dave Rex got his invite a few weeks ago and recorded himself doing his first post. Enjoy this Voice walkthrough video, which also includes an overview of the Voice tokenomics. And that's all for this week's episode of EOS Hot Sauce. EOS Nation is a top block producer on the EOS public network. We earn inflation rewards based on the percentage of tokens staked towards us. Those rewards are reinvested into EOSIO community, tools, and infrastructure. Help grow the ecosystem by staking your vote to EOS Nation FTW for BP or proxying to Proxy4 Nation. Remember, we never accept compensation in exchange for featuring projects on the EOS Hot Sauce. That means if a project is included in the EOS Hot Sauce, it's because we believe that project brings value to the EOSIO ecosystem and we want our community to know about it. Are you building an interesting project on EOSIO? We want to hear from you. Reach out to us on social media or email info@eosnation.io. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of EOS Hot Sauce. Want more spicy updates? Check out our previous episodes at eosnation.io. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit that bell. Once again, I'm your host Daniel Keys, and we'll see you again next week. Until then, let's keep it spicy.